Okay, to plot the data, I make another step. I undock this window because I'm running out of space, and maximize this window so you can see what's happening. And to plot the data, I open up a new figure and plot, in this case, my data, and I use the temporary variable because it's faster to write in this case, and I give it a title to see in the plot which one is which measurement. The best is to copy that one out and include raw data from GAIT left, and I also get the number with this command, number to string, and I should see now above each plot this title plotted as well. I run the section and looking up what happens. So it may take a while because the data is pretty large. So, and then you can see, okay, raw data GAIT left 1 and raw data GAIT left 2, and you see also the this sign is good for variables but not for a title. And by running it again, we should see the word left written right. Yes, it's okay. And so we can see the first measurement file with this file name is the offset measurement, because we have a static measurement value in there, and the other measurement is the GAIT measurement because we have these upcoming spikes in there, which is pretty obvious that every time there is a spike in there, there is a step in there, and these ones are other steps, and some of these are on a straight line, and then I've standed in between there, and then I've walked again. So now we have seen the raw data, and then we have to do something with the data to get to our plot, which I showed you in the first video, and therefore I make a section break because you see that was in the wrong place, so I have to delete the section break, and deleting is very easy with the command back, and you have to put the cursor on the last line and then click section break. And in this next section I try how to use the commands for our data treatment. I make a test mean variable and use the mean command on my measurement data. So I have the measurement data variable here, measurement dot GAIT underscore left 2, because the left one is the offset measurement, and then I want to look up what happens, and I plot my test mean variable, and to don't plot it in the other window I use a figure, and run the section and see, okay, I've got a mean value out of that, and I copy this one, put it in there, and make a sum and look up the difference. I copy the title because otherwise at some point it's getting confusing when you don't have a title in there. I don't need a number anymore, so I only put a string variable in there by typing in mean, and in this case I've used sum. I save it and run the section to see what changed. Okay, now I see that's the mean and that's the sum, and you have to look up the x on the side and see, okay, it's a pretty larger value. And what we also see is, okay, it's probably the right not the right dimension, because you can see we have the mean over the sensor values, which is okay for the offset measurement, so we can make this behavior for the offset measurement, but we have to choose the second dimension for the command to see it over the whole measurement. And now we can see the sum out of all sensors during the whole measurement, and then we can see, okay, we have pretty more steps in there besides 6. And you can see also in this section what I've told you is that I'm standing there and don't make a step, or there are other steps in there. And in this particular area of the plot, I have walked on a straight line. So we have seen pretty much till this point in the data. In the next step we will change the commands to the offset measurement, and we define the regions to improve our data treatment further.